Morning, Arki. What are you looking at?
See, our bags are still there.
Our bags are still there. What's happening today?
We're going on a boat ride to swim. What, do you remember when I did a knockout first face in the water?
Yeah.
I was like, but my face went chill into the water.
Yeah. Good morning, Bowie.
Good morning.
What are you doing today? Bowie. You going on the boat?
Yay!
Are you going to swim in the lake?
Yay!
Are you going to wear a life jacket?
Yay!
Are you going to go on the surfboard?
Yay!
How you going, Ark? Enjoying the view?
Yeah, I can see Aaron. I think I can see Aaron's truck. I think that's Aaron right there.
Are you going to get a boat when you get older?
No, I won't.
How you going, Bobo?
Good.
You having fun?
Yeah, I'm gonna see this place.
Bowie. You gonna have a go on the skis today?
Yeah.
Good boy.
That's the spirit. That's the spirit, Bowie.
That's the spirit.
Bowie, you can chase the duckies with the skis. What are many people's going on that blow up thing? How many people going on that blow up thing? But I don't. Yes, I want to go in there right now. It's so cold. And I'm hot. See? Cold.
It's a fun way to spend your holidays. So lucky you've been twice.
No, one on Bowie's birthday. Bowie has the best. Bowie said he has the best birthday. I like this. I like this. I like this. I look down so cool.
We'll have a swim first,
How
righto?
fast are we going?
About 2 kilometres an hour.
Maybe kilometers an hour.
How's that? Is that alright?
Yes.
Okay, that's your one. Monstrous Bowie.
How you going, Ark?
Yes.
Flex.
Excited?
Yeah, it's on my way.
Yes, mate.
It's a It's a
I'm in. Stretch. Get it in there. Get it in there. Get it in there. Ah! Yeah. How's that? Look out. Look out. How's that, my man?
Good.
Good. Righto. That's good. Man.
Yeah.
Mandy, come to the doors on, please.
Yeah.
Jump. You up?
Yeah.
Run.
It's so coldy warm.
No, it's not cold.
It's a coldy
You
warm.
jumping in, bro?
It's warm.
I'll jump. Let me put some sunscreen.
Remember,
No.
Bowie, you've got your life jacket on so you won't drown, okay? You'll come back up if you go down.
I'm so bad.
Come on, jump on the bank.
I'm up.
No, is it Ark?
Cold.
Is it warm now? Warming up?
Come on. Wait, I'll hold you. No, I'm
I'll come in, man. I'll come in.
You a bit nervous, Bo? Bowie, you a bit nervous, are you?
Yeah.
Ah, you'll be right.
Bowie, you could catch a fish. What? Could you see fish? It's in here. I don't see any. Come on, but you could. And yeah, Aaron comes in.
He's gonna get in. He's just getting sunscreen on.
It's
Arky loves it.
Arki loves it. I don't Why we You're laying like a starfish. Oh, boy. Just relaxing. I'm drifting away from the boat. I'm drifting. Get out of that one too. Get out of here. Come on, fly. What? What? You're not shaking on me. Don't shake it on me. Please not. Who's gonna come in? Oh, it's so funny. Oh, you're all scared. Come in.
How's it feel?
Not warm. Come in. Oh, come in. Somebody come in with me.
We are getting in. Just wait a minute.
Here, prove it. I'm in. See, I'm the only one in here. Ah! Can you just think of the bottom, please?